everybody! Today we are gonna learn some addition word problems. I'm gonna help you if you don't know some addition. It's very fun and very easy. Let's get started. Okay, we are at the first question. There are 6 bicycles. 5 more bicycles came. How many are there now? Let's use our number line to see. This will be so much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our answer is 11. Another method is we can use with any shape or line. Let me show you how to do this. We are going to change the color to blue. And first, now we're going to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to count 5 more bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to count them with red. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's do 7, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11. The answers are both the same, but the matters are both different. So it will be so much fun to learn, and it's so much easy. Let's move on to the next question. I have 7 footballs. I am given 5 more footballs. How many do I have? Now, how many footballs do I have? Now, let's use number line. First, we are going to find number 7. Where are you, number 7? Here is number 7. Now, we are going to jump 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our answer will be 12. Now let's use with lines with the color green. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, and we're going to put 5 lines more. Now let's count them all together. So we know the total here is 7. And now we're going to count this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. It's so easy and so much fun to learn. Now let's move on to the next question. Bird has 4 fish. So let's draw 4 lines. Bill has 8 fish. Now we have to draw 8 lines. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, and 8 lines. Now we are going to count them all together. with a different color that is dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there's one more, 11. So our answer will be 12. Let's write it down. Now let's use our number line and see if our answer is still the same or we did it wrong somehow. Now we're gonna start from number 4. And we're gonna do 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We didn't get it wrong. And we got the answer correct. That is 12. Let's move on to the next question. I buy 7 apples on Wednesday and 4 apples on Friday. How many apples did I buy? Let's use the number line first this time. We are going to start with 7 and do 4 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, we only need 4. So the answer is 11. Let's see with the lines. Maybe we got it wrong. Let's check, everybody. Let's do 7 lines and we 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're going to count 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we already know this is 7. Now we're just going to count the 4. Let's use a different color. Let's use the red. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Our answer was correct. I hope you learned how to do addition word problem. We are going to do some more next time. For now, goodbye.